transform, and roll out.
Hey, this is Mr. Morrison, and we're going to talk about transformations today, just like Transformers, like Optimus Prime, where he transformed from being a robot into being this big, huge truck. He did that by taking his shapes and moving them around, flipping them, sliding them, spinning them, reflecting them, to go into a new place to become something different. And that's kind of what these are, only they're not going to be something different, they're going to be the same thing. The first type of transformation is a translation. Translation is just like a slide. So you just take a shape, an object, and slide it, and it have directions on the coordinate plane like left, right, up, or down. So if you want to translate it or slide it 2 right and 3 up, you just count over 1, 2 spots and then go up however many need to go. So it's going to look the same, but just might slide right or left, positive or negative, or up, positive, or down, negative. So it's going to look the same way, just in a different location in space. That's a translation or a slide. Reflection is slightly different. That is like looking into a mirror where everything is the same, only flipped around. So if you wave your right hand in the mirror, it looks like your left hand is waving. So if this was reflected, this triangle, it would look backwards. So it's reflected, if you'll notice, it's 1, 2 from the y-axis, 1, 2 from the y-axis. So you can reflect it or flip it over the y, or you can reflect it and flip it over the x. So it looks the same, but upside down. So you just count the points 1, then 1 past it. That point goes 1 and 1 past it, and that point goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it just looks reflected. Next one's a little bit harder, and that is the rotation. It's like a fan blade. So you can rotate it clockwise like a clock goes, or counterclockwise, and then the amount of degrees, and you can also pick the center of rotation. In this case, I'm going to rotate it or spin it clockwise, which is going to be to the right, and I'm going to use this purple dot as my center rotation. So my first spin is going to be 90 degrees. So if you'll notice that the old one and the new one end up making a nice 90-degree angle. So that'd be a 90-degree rotation. Then you can flip it again. So this would be 180, and you'll notice the old one and the new one end up making a straight line. That'd be a 180-degree turn, and then you can flip it 270. So that would be 270 rotation. If you could see all of them, that'd be the original, then 90, 180, and 270, kind of spinning around like a fan blade. So it spins like a fan. I made my own customized money translation, so hopefully you can see there. Again, translation, the money is going to look the same. It just might slide right or left or down or up. And then a reflection, it looks the same but backwards. So you can see when I take the money and move it closer to the line, the other one gets closer. When I move it further away, the other one gets further away, and it's flipped around. And I can also take this center of reflection, and if I change the line, the money moves. So now it's upside down instead of left to right. So as I move closer and further away, it gets closer and further away. And the last one would be rotation. I don't know why I wrote reflection there, but this is rotation. And when you look at the dollar bill, it spins. So that's at 0, then 90, 270, 180 is upside down. So you can see how the dollar bill is spinning around like a fan blade spins. So those are the different types of transformations that we're going to talk about. Please answer the Google form on the right.